quick video. I bought this light yesterday at Woodcraft for $20. It's on sale. The normally $50 or something like that. As you know, Woodcraft is expensive, but it shows that everything they sell is good quality. Just quickly, it has a really firm base. It will clamp on whatever you want it to. Battery, DC power, on off. Batteries go in there, and it has a really strong magnet. You'd be surprised how strong it is. It's not getting knocked over or anything. Once it's in there, it's there. I can go on a shot on the side of a saw, or whatever you need it to, so that you can see what you're doing. A drill press or wherever. This is a tactile rubber, I think. Yeah, rubber. I thought it might be steel for a second, because it's definitely not plastic. It's good quality material. It's bound at each end. It goes to a stainless steel. Again, work light. That's going to be. Turn it back on. There. Adjustable. Yeah, it's pretty good. This is great for looking at small pieces like I'm doing, or having to look at what you're doing. If you're going to take this thing apart, which I have to do all the time back there to that extruder, it's going to be invaluable for me. It's going to come so much. I can't even believe what a great deal I got on it. Anyway, 20 bucks, Woodcraft. I think you can get it online. If you can't, go to Woodcraft near you and pick it up.